Navigating with English, mastering landmarks and locations. Hello learners. Welcome back to another exciting English language learning session. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of describing locations and landmarks in English. We'll practice giving step-by-step instructions using phrases like first, then, after that, and finally. So, let's set our course and navigate our way to fluency. Landmarks are vital in giving directions because they provide visual cues to guide the person seeking directions. They could be buildings, natural features, or any easily recognizable places. Learning to describe them accurately can greatly improve your ability to communicate directions in English. To describe locations and landmarks, you'll need a good set of vocabulary. Let's look at some useful words and phrases. Landmark, a building or place that is easily recognized. Intersection, a place where two or more roads meet. Corner, the point where two sides or edges meet. Traffic lights, the red, yellow, and green lights that control traffic. Roundabout, a circular area at a place where several roads meet. Crosswalk, a place on a road where pedestrians can cross safely. Bridge, a structure built to span physical obstacles. Now, it's time for us to practice. We'll use our new vocabulary to create step-by-step directions. I will describe a route, and I want you to visualize the journey as we go. Scenario 1. First, you'll see a large landmark, the city library, on your right. Then, continue straight until you reach the first intersection. After that, take a left at the intersection and go straight until you see the green traffic lights. Finally, take a right at the lights and you'll arrive at the park, which is next to a tall office building. Scenario 2. First, walk straight until you reach a big roundabout with a statue in the middle. Then, take the second exit onto Market Street. After that, walk straight until you see a small coffee shop on the corner. Finally, cross the street at the crosswalk and you'll be at the City Museum. Try to practice these scenarios and create your own, using the vocabulary we've learned. For giving effective directions, remember to be clear and specific. Use landmarks as much as possible. Use left, right, straight ahead, and back to give direction. Give the approximate distance or time if possible. That wraps up our session on describing locations and landmarks in English. Remember, practice is key in mastering these skills. Keep practicing these scenarios, and soon enough, you'll be giving directions like a native speaker. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to see you in our next session. Happy learning!